Law of assumption. The law of assumption is a concept from the field of manifestation and personal development, most notably popularized by Law of Assumption, Neville Goddard, a 20th century spiritual teacher. According to this law, what you assume to be true becomes your reality. It implies you can manifest anything by thinking and feeling as if you already had it. Your beliefs, thoughts, and assumptions about life, yourself, and the world around you have the power to shape and create your experience. Key principles of the law of assumption. 1. Assume the wish fulfilled. You must assume, as if it is already true, that what you desire has already come to pass. Feel and act as if your wish has already been granted. For example, if you want to be successful, instead of wishing or hoping, you act and think as though you are already successful. This state of mind aligns your actions and energy with the desired outcome. 2. Your inner world creates your outer world. The law emphasizes that your external circumstances are a reflection of your internal state. If you constantly assume negativity, lack, or failure, that is what you will manifest in your life. Conversely, assuming positivity, abundance, and success will lead to those experiences. 3. Focus on the feeling. Neville Goddard often stressed the importance of feeling as the key to unlocking the law of assumption. It's not enough to just think about or imagine your desires, you must feel the emotions associated with having already achieved them. This feeling becomes the creative force that attracts your assumptions into your reality. Law of assumption. Anxiety performance increases with mental arousal, stress, but only up to a point. When an individual's level of stress is too low or too high, their performance deteriorates. 4. Imagination is the tool. According to the law of assumption, imagination is powerful and can influence reality. By visualizing yourself already in possession of your goals and embodying that assumption through imagination, you set in motion the creation of that experience in the physical world. Law of assumption for money. Imagine having the money, be grateful, and genuinely enjoy your purchase. This alters your frequency to one of abundance. Surround yourself with abundance. Even if you lack wealth, put yourself in environments where abundance thrives. Visit affluent areas, follow prosperous people online, and explore high-end stores. 5. Persistence is key. Assumptions must be held consistently over time. Even if current circumstances suggest otherwise, you must persist in the assumption that what you desire is already yours. This persistence eventually brings about the change you seek, even if the manifestation isn't immediate. Law of assumption. Meditation. Combining manifestation and meditation can be a useful tool for building greater self-awareness and focusing on your goals. It's important to remember, however, that thinking alone cannot replace action. Practical steps to use the law of assumption. Clarify your desire. Decide clearly what you want to experience or achieve. Visualize and feel. Regularly visualize yourself living your desired outcome. Feel as if it's already yours. Shift your beliefs. Challenge and replace any limiting beliefs that contradict your assumptions. Act as if. Begin to act, think, and speak as though your desired reality is already true. Be persistent. Even in the face of doubts or setbacks, continue assuming the fulfillment of your desires. Affirmations. Law of assumption. We can use affirmations as a tool to get what we want by believing in ourselves, our power to make our dreams come true, and the magic of manifestation. Maybe you use affirmations once in a while, but in order for them to really be effective and to put more effort into manifesting, it's best to use affirmations daily. Law of assumption. Success. The success assumption is the expectation that others will define success and work to achieve success in the same way that we do. As you can imagine, this assumption can play out in a number of ways. One of the most obvious places the success assumption occurs is between generations. In summary, the law of assumption teaches that your beliefs and assumptions shape your reality. By consciously choosing to assume the outcome you desire and feeling as though it is already true, you can create and attract those circumstances into your life.